Kiatheka mutegeri wa Weru TV mbitikie wina muthenya mwega nkugwatwo geni Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja niyo mbitagwa WANJERU. Tukiambiriria Nteto cietu ni ati cukuru ya sekondari ya Mwingi ya Kirindini ni yumbite kwithirwa ikiumbana banene na kwithirwa ikiuna mibaka na gushinda cukuru cingi inene icithagirwa cina igweta rinene muno igweta ya kithomo na imwe iria nkinyagia ati cukuru cia Mwingi ni kirikigerio kiria kiranirirwo muthenya wa egoro ya KCP. Cukuru ino ni tharete banene bare magwatite miniscol ya Ithandatu gatanta inyanya kirikigerio gia KCSE kiria kiraumbire kwanirwo muthenya wa egoro. Nayo cukuru ya Bishop Njiro Girls Kangeta ni gwatite murutwa wa grade ya A ekirie.
I'm Mrs. Njage, Principal Bishop Njiro Girls. Today, we are celebrating the glory of God. We have seen the hand of God in our school. We started preparing our students for their KCSE exams. And this morning, we are so happy that one of our girls became the best nationally. She got an A of 84 points. That is a great achievement as a school. And we are so proud of Ferdinanda and also happy and thanking God because of our results. As a school, we have walked miles and we want to thank God because we have seen His hand. We have moved from a mean of 5.5 to a mean of 6.2. Already, we are planning our target this year to be a mean of 7. And we are praying that God is going to help us to achieve it because we are all going to work very hard and very smart out of this motivation that we've got this morning. Apart from Ferdinanda, we also have Endina June, who is just next to her with an A-. We are so proud of these girls. We have 92 girls who are proceeding to the university, C+ and above. We have those girls who are going to our various universities. Our prayer is that they are going to excel even after this high school because we want them to come out and serve this country. We've always been telling them that we are not only producing national leaders, but also global citizens who are going to serve not only Kenya, but the world over. So our joy is to see our students excel, not only here at Bishop Njiro, but also later in life. So we are so happy this day. We are celebrating, and I want to appreciate the work that has been done by our teachers, by the BOM members, the NTS members. Everyone worked so tirelessly to produce the good results that we are celebrating today. So I want to thank you, team. You have done as...
My name is Ferdinanda Nyambura Gadiba, and I was schooling at Kangeta Girls High School, and I managed to score an A of 84 points. I am planning to pursue Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, and it has been a long journey, but it has taken determination and hard work, and also working with my teachers and also my fellow schoolmates and classmates, and yeah, that's all I can say. And also that revision, that is how I managed to attain an A of 84 points.
My name is Nteto. I was schooling here in Bishop Njiro Girls. I managed to get an A- of 76 points. For me, what I can say is that He has taken the hand of God to reach where I am now, and the cooperation which our teachers have been giving us together with our fellow students and even our parents. So I want to thank all of them who have been able us to reach here we are now. My dream is to do Bachelor of Pharmacy.
Tutoni cingi ni ati kuringana na ndagitari Pamela uria urungamirite mirimo mwanya kana montuma mirimo mwanya na muno murimo wa mukingo sibitari ni ya Mutuati na ugite kwina mekari kama mengi muno maciari iria igwataga andatene kwithirwa ikigwatwa ni murimo wa mukingo ni mekari kamaria augite ni monekanite na wingi muno sibitari ni enu akiuragia ciana cia ciari cithirwe ikimenyera muno na itikethirwe ndugu cia kiwendo ire inini nikenda kwebana na mirimo ino na nkinyankuruki kwebana na anda cia tene.
Kama mimba ziko mingi, hivyo ndo HIV na iko na hivyo ndio kudhulumiwa ikomi. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio sababu inaitwa triple threat.
Kulingana na Daktari Pamela aliuga ati mwanka athaini konekanite ana abanini no akaba kuthina mbe na kwinyangwa abonene akiuga ende mwana mwari kinya wangwa na batiri kwithirwa kimenyera na njira ya kurega kwitigiria into obyo theri nontubu ibyo byote mabenereka abure mpwe akiuga mwana mwari na batiri kwithirwa gitiya nikenda kinya gwe atiywa
wana tware rwikumia rorare bari aruo ari begembe no thiro thirete. I'm sorry to say that wewe nzirena mtu yote akilokera uno kuona kede mtu anendete nzirene toko anendete nzirene kenda wono na kuona re awete bya kwenda toko abonekera kwa wale begembe no kaboromba rwikumia rorare bari aruo wetata rosoke terotire rwikumia rorare wende ora weta nzirene kama mwetika na mtu awetere toko abikeria borongo era na kuthikeria kuka weteka mtu kora ipo kureta manto yareko kwa uru kumiara soke
onogo no toma antoma kinya kiritwana atatweje kinya tutethero twikaria ana abao bare no ntoba kwithirwa baingi ibo bagutumirwa kubanyangia ana ababare
iborendere kuria muno intobio theri burabiendere tekeni na intobio ida ansi ore no weta atia no karea anireni kira musiari okuo kunekera kana mutonyo kwe kana muronyo kwe kethen wo kumenyera musiari okuo ethero atena kyo utekwa otekwa kana otena kintu kireko utena kintu kira kwa utwanire biasi ari botwa twana totwa tonda kana tuo rotano teru kumaanisha kwanta murume kinyore na weka yeye no rembi no reta murume kwa utota na wanjereria kuja kuringa kibara kianine ukiora sia ile karitamania skuru no kurite skuru yes lakini utebu warevia kinyana na maisha yako kudhokia wetorene wenatwana tothato wewe ngote kuomba kura thuru are kuendene no kana karena kwa huo tiomba ende kora kiwasie kira merio gote kuomba atia mimbeini kweja ni amerio eminge wana toto yeye nyatu tumenyere twaletwo sawa wana mtonge na kuzakudia moronyo kwa amuri na ate okwethia
Kumegebe North Peter Class Chabari
Munini wa mutongoria wa rwangirwa gwambithania niwe Machari ya Njeru na oretie thirikari na nkinyagia atongoria kuba gitio gikinene koti na nkinyagia katiba maugite rwangirwa gwambithania robatire kwerungamira ruriru nikenda rwithirwa rukinenkanira Kyoto kira kibatekia ekikubatara na kurukini maugite atongoria mamengi kana atongoria mamariuga agambithania mamoni methiritwe mena ungumania munene.
Mvonge cionthe cia thirikari wa vamwe na atongoria ngurani ni mauritu gukorwa makirumiriria katiba na gutia matua maria mekagwa ni magoti wana wakorwa matagwitikania namo. Ino ni kuringana na munini wa mwenegiti wa ruvonge rwa GSC niwe Machari ya Njeru varia ruvonge ruru ruracerete igoti riria Embu kuona uria wira urathie na mbere.
The government, the executive to be specific, is a party like any other. When a judge is hearing a matter, they don't consider that this is government, this is non-government. This is state, this is a non-state, actor. It is based on the law, facts, and evidence of the time. Let's accept that we have a 2010 constitution, and the earlier we put that in our mindset, it will be easier for us, so that we don't spend too much time looking for ways and means of circumventing the constitution. We just abide by it, and if you have any issue with a judge or JO regarding any decision they make, there's a due process.
Guku Njeru akiugaga wiyathi wa magoti nwanginya utiwe na urumirirwe kuona niku andu onthe monaga kivoto.
Speaking specifically to the issue of the independence of the judiciary, that is not something that can be negotiated because it's a constitutional imperative. It's expected that judiciary must be independent. And we must accept that that is in the interest of everybody, including the politicians, because nobody would want a judiciary that can kowtow to any party.
Guku akiuragia aria onthe mari na wira wa njanji aria mareka ciiko cia ungumania gukorwa makibecana wira uyu kuri ruvonge ruru rwa JSC niguo watho uvote kurumirirwa.
If you have evidence of corruption what you do is that the Constitution, that's why the Constitution created an institution called Judicial Service Commission. You present it, then appropriate action is taken. And Judicial Service Commission has done that before. We are aware of judges who have been removed before. We are aware of judicial officers who have been removed before. But based on evidence that has been presented, then the due process, following. So we don't have an issue with somebody raising an issue as long as we accept that there has to be due process.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitawarita mwaniki wa Musiri.
Edwin Murithi mwana wa miaka 17 na tere uturu wawe kumania na kikurikana kabuorirwe ne antu maire mandugu chiawe. Iririkana iri tariki 31 cia mweri wa Disemba mwaka muthiru antu arume maire Mariani mao ni mamubithikire akionaga mubira antere cia tunyai baria mamubingire nyomba ya ishuwe na kwambiriria kumubora makiwaga na yete kiondo gia cukuru kia umwe wao na kuma au mwana uyu na kwire angarithitu cibitari ni ngina muciari na ishuwe na athugwaniro mama irini marekite kugwata ni bara maragwatirwe marinteresia Eldoret matorokete.
Irugano rwake banturania Mariene Kamwanki wa dini ya Chiakarige kwa mukuru Silas Njeu araka na kaka mwaro wake uretirwe kagita kaumbire gutauturo bwake nyuma ya kirehe kwirikana na aturirwe inthaka cirio mwari abuye na uragungi ari inthaka ya guntura.
Tariki 1 Januari rukiri maimamu athiete kanisani iri athire akinya bantu aigua mtu amwita mwira chocho ncumbukirie akira ithona ika my nephew no wa mami agu amwira ncumbukirie amuria nata amwira indaturirwo tu injeru na ntamwenda
kanisani marothi tariki 1 ngekinya rungu rwa mwembe gungi uria akubi na mucii wa Njeu ndegua ndetwa chocho nkiondoka Murithi ncumbukirie ndathire agua mami na nda
aya twita mucii twenda manigo na my sister my mom na my nephew bathi kwa polisi bathi bapewa barua baya ndi twathi guchwankari kenda tumwira cibitari ntu buraburi twatikiomba ukarandi in that process ya gucheria nkari mwana ukagikua lakini nari agutwira ng'ania banturire bamburaga na mite na bagenkinyangaga na makinyanda na kibara
yo no ntomoche wake no ari akubyo yo mtomurume auriria kuthirikira yandathire gucheria nkari ndathingo kinya bantu ndathiete gochoka indagire ndethira kuthirikira na mugendi bari na buge kithinji bari bakuthiwita polisi
ogwa na nguo irari na cia kirutwa gatwarengire my brother na arengire na kajuru ntwitiki
ara kuringana na gina manake wa Murithi ni ati kuri tariki 31 mweri mukuruku thaka ino ciiri bathire beta Murithi utiri-ini bumwe tunyai arahonaga mubira bamwira mwanka mucii kwojwe araba mwingire nyomba na kumubora bamuthaikite buratomba kugambu araba kumutiga rukiri iriombire wikururia mwankira rungu rwa mwembe arahombire kwereza bura kurendere indi nyuma ya thari Murithi aracindira bakibanga kumwira cibitari au kata uturo bwake
eragwa na yete mbagi na cukuru ubu bakimutura ibu bamwiraga but after akwa kamboi ka brother komo oyu abaturaga na ringere gina thimu amuringira mwira mbagira wathire nio lete mbagira wathire nio nontu niratumire Murithi uragwa so that means mbagi yari na gino akamuthakaga kukamwe ukamuturaga yani my step brother
akamatira kuma kabauni kamateri aramateri ngaus aya thongerwa nyomba ikwaboragirwa ikinyanga na makinya bati
athuganirwa babairi na barankuru kibarombire kuwato batoroketi bombite kuingira gituoni kia marimanti beterete nditango
you my cousin arari graduate this December tariki 7 graduate KMTC athomagira chuka uyu nge no ari first year university Kirinyaga University
aranto abaindi bamuche borite thirikari kuthungira ikarikairi na gutigira Murithi na kuwata gioto giake
ugu ndetio turienda ku akia mwana wetu ikinyero thingatirwo tuona akia mwana wetu
nkoromba tu thirikari tone tabore tuteberie guchunguza mantu mona tabore thukie manani
nigonde chocho andwe ni Murithi bankorerera thirikari ntethia kindi kintethia bai nonto maisha makwa nkona mari atari ni wana nio nombora gwatogu gacucu kau gakwa karauragirwo nonto tie mtungi ndinwe na ikonda regweti kogu thirikari nkuburirira na inya yonthe kioto kia mwana wakwa kia cucu wakwa kionekane na inkuboromba necima rinene buthingatire mantu mama mwanka mwisho.
Mwiri gomototiki murethi na orankurukira thomagira cukuru ya Chuka Boys Form 2 nombete kuiwa mocarenia marimanti rantu bamuche na bobendere kwibanga ni braba komba komonogokia ntugo ya Jumatano kimiani giki nkiripotera Weru TV kumantere cia Tharaka Bito Paul Gwakabithe
gatunogokia banini utikathi no ako
Kadhu. Yes. Eza. Joy motu jore kwa turugera narwa.
Mtu jonda kurete tukani na haraka ja.
Jojo na kinyama no.
Ai.
Lakini ukamaka. Tuakurekera mtu kwa afya plus.
Afya plus.
Joy motu.
He, jona mwanka vitamins na minerals. Anti ndeborugere. Kutegewe bombo yake.
Afya Millers Cooperative Society Limited athonde kiba mituka thetunege tumero na ndiba kureterete Afya Plus mutujo ankima jongeri vitamin na minerals ya kuguna mwiri jwaku na nkimere na shamaja boibo ikinye ndukene kana supermarket rere kwina agwe wigurire mutujo ankima jwa Afya Plus umadrenja ya kuwinge yegekeno. Our Afya, our pride.
Are you ready to take the first step towards an exciting future after KCSE? At Jordan College of Technology, we are a community of dreamers, thinkers, innovators, and achievers. We train over 100 government-approved technical, medical, hospitality, and business courses in diploma, certificate, CBET, short courses, and driving. Our world-class campus offers a variety of co-curricular activities, state-of-the-art facilities, and lifelong networks beyond academics. Apply today for our ongoing January 2024 intake and turn your dream into a reality. Visit us at our new ultra-modern campus, Jordan Towers, Elimu Center, Kwame Nkrumah Street, Thika Town. Jordan College of Technology, the leading TVET and medical institution in Kenya.
Lives of two young girls.
My star sign is lucky. Something good will happen. Yani mom na dad wana fight na wewe kazi yako ni zodiac signs.
Raised by secrets.
There's a lot going on at the moment in this house.
It's either Baluta to your pesa or else
is about to be changed forever when their true identity is uncovered.
That girl is not his daughter. That Nteto will prove me right.
I'm really concerned. If they treat her like an outcast, she'll definitely go back to their family.
In the brand new unmissable Zari starts 23 October only on Maisha Magic Plus, channel 163 on DSTV Access, GoTV Plus, channel 3.
Here comes the grand event of Africa, Africa Cup of Nations 2023. Watching all the stars of 24 countries for one champion. See traditional powerhouses defending their glory.
Perfect comeback.
And watch out.
He tried to cross it in.
Dark horses are racing for the top.
Surely the winner.
Try your best and lift the trophy. Start Time Sports. Beyond passion.
Horenge inkugwate ugeni mutegere tukithie na mbere na Nteto cietu ni ati nyuma ya Weru TV kumurika rugono ria murutwa kana mwana na rietwa Bwendi Kenya mwana wa kuma nturani ya Gitune Bothogochi Central uria utari na njira ya kuthungira sekondari kumania na kuma kiri muci utikwiumba kana ngina kwithirwa atikumba kumuribira bici ya kuthungira sekondari riu naombete kugwata utethio kuma kiri Kamashinani Foundation ni maria megwitikiriro kiabwe Bwendi uria agwatite maxi 400 maithanthatu kiri kigerio gia KCPE riu akethirwa akithomithwa miaka inu ina ya sekondari atikuriba noambia ciari mawe makiaria ni monanite gikeno gikinene muno nontu wa kwebererwa murigo uyu munene
nyane tipangani ngaos uteundi bangite ndine nya stress nyingi nyangu gaigwite ka stress ria ndi nacio na ndi uga ndi kuona otethio ndi gwirwa muno
napata max 4 or 6 but mama yangu hawezi kunipeleka shule. Nimeitwa Pagani Girls.
Ni migambo ya Rusi Karaka ina mwana wawe Wende Kinya mwana orora tongerete kiri kigerio KCPE mwaka muthiru na maxi 600 ararari mwana wa mbere uratongerete kiri anabari gicigo mbunge kia Central Imenti negoro wena muciari wawe bagishumiria Werune ni barauge ni baremeri na ni bagitete werigiro bogwita sekondari ireti yari apangani indi nyume ya kiriro giki baingi batongira ni barakigerwe na wambere ni seneta wa kaunti ya Meru Kadhuri Murungi uria gukurukira foundation ya Kamashinani aciajanire na kujukia mwana uju na bisa bobisi awe bagikinya mushijo kwa Bawende ni baugite mwana uju bakamurira into bionde na kinya bakamurira bisi ya miankena ya skure weti
Mheshimiwa Kadhuri Murungi amwe na Kamashinani Foundation na ugire akathomithia kana gaka kuma form 1 monka form 4 na intobio ndebia kana gaka kenda karunga miri Kamashinani Foundation kuma na Arua.
Kamashinani Foundation irinenge Wende full scholarship iketo mitujete na Arua kujera baruga kenda Wende eta kuthithirwa shopping ya gwita school. So scholarship yawe tiri mitendikire school fees
kiringi na muciari nyuma yawe kwa mukirote thiobo
ande kugaibwa kana ntobwa mheshimiwa to muthuri Kadhuri Murungi no ntobwa kuona no ntobwa to matimu yawe ekejo na Mashinani gutegera ntoja batu bara bati uciumba nkauga buru nte uciumba jo tuko nkeringero thimu ndirariraga
no ntobwa mheshimiwa Kadhuri kwigwa nkore gutendera matu yare igirwo rukire kana ni utuko ijo ari igirwo Nteto eji na ibo kuona na Arua ripoti igukinya
kire mwana uju Wende Kinya ethira taitha nkero cha woro kugana ndekiroto kiawe kigakinyanira.
I'm very grateful because I would like to pursue my dream of becoming a doctor na najua kwa usaidizi wake I promise that I'll pursue my dream to the fullest.
Owaja Kinya mubunge wekuru karambuka iremia na raigetwe kiriro kia mwana uju Wende uria Kinya wagukari na Weru bakumuthomithia arade gukinya nja eje ethira mwana uju najukirwo ni seneta Kadhuri Murungi na akiaria murungamiri wa ritingo gyo bisine awe Joeri Murerwa ethira kigwata untu bombaru.
So many people willing to help these children. They can achieve their goals to the fullest. La ira to Kinya ndene njeje tukwithira our friend Wende Kinya orende ona la seneta wetu Kadhuri Murungi na ukali yagu committed through his foundation na gwatwika komba kurungamira kana gaka wita na mbere na mathomo yako ukauga yu ni team wakera tukwendekera atongeria betu
nkatho cha mwanya kireo bisi u ya kairemia
na ofisi mheshimiwa wetu karambu kairemia ngaigwa ganya no ntobo tuthingateria.
I'm thankful to honorable Karambu Kairemia. Asante hata kwa kuja kuniona nyumbani.
Kuma gitone wandini ya Bothogochi Central gicigo mbunge kia Central Imenti ngiripot Nteto cia Weru rea kwa rieto ni Mutungi Kare.